Hi there, this is Becky Raisler. I've got Becky's Junk Journals on Instagram and on YouTube, and I post most every day, so come on over and see what I'm up to. Today I'm going to show you my Serenity Accordion Journal. I didn't count the page spreads. It's kind of hard to do when they're all connected together, but I think it's about 14 on each side. But I've got a YouTube video showing you how I put this little accordion journal together. It's 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches square, and it's a fun size to work on for accordion journals. This one's named Serenity, and Serenity has a handmade flower on the front made with all fabric, and then it's got lace layered for the top. And the back is the same lace layered with different decorations. Okie doke, here we go. I hope you can see this. Well, this has 2 pockets in it. That is the definition of foliage. And this is a fabric flower that I found recently at Hobby Lobby on sale, and I love it. This one is all blues and greens, and it's all collage. It's a collage journal. Here's a quote from Norman Vincent Peale. It says, "Believe it is possible to solve your problem. Tremendous things happen to the believer. So believe the answer will come, and it will." And The Power of Positive Thinking is the name of his book. And if you've never read it, it's an oldie but goodie. Here's a cute little envelope that somebody sent me with a faux slide in it. I used a lot of stickers from the Antiquarian sticker books. That's where these are from on this page. And every page has some kind of texture on it, and lots of times it's lace, but I use texture in my collages. I think it makes a lot of difference in how your collage looks. This is from a teaching slide projector thing, part of a crochet doily that I cut up. I noticed that I've got birds and flowers on almost every single page. Creativity takes courage. This is an antique brass button or copper button. Not sure. A little fabric cluster with the button. Age to perfection. Wouldn't it be nice? Okay, this one is a pocket with 3 little tags that I made, little journaling tags in it. And this one has a little mini belly band there, and it has a journaling card here. This is one of my favorite ones. This page, I counted them, it has 9 added collage elements. And let's see if I can find them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 10. Yes, let's try that again. Start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, there's 10 added elements. And it was on a blue page from a book that I cut out. And this is the front of some sheet music that is part of this one. Behave. Another one of those fabric flowers with a little ticket cluster collage. Pretty little journaling card on the back of that. There's 2 little journaling cards. Little pocket made from a French flashcard. Lots of textures. I've got written in gold here, made by Becky Raisler. Okay, we come to the back. And she keeps on going. Live simply, give generously. The boy and girl from the antiquarian sticker books. I don't know which one. Definition of forever. All done in green. Forever is composed of nows. Become the change. I like this little added black on this one. I don't use black a whole lot. But I love blue, and I bought myself a, I'm not thinking straight today. I can't think of words. A machine, and I'll show you in a minute. I can't think and talk at the same time, okay? Maybe I should shut up, huh? When nothing is sure, everything is possible. And it has a little journaling card, another little journaling card. And then this is just a card that I haven't gotten around to decorating yet. But I thought it was funny. Crypto reminds me of Kryptonite from Superman. I really have fun doing these and making these pages. But I got my machine to make these tiny little bird cutouts, and I'm so excited, and I'll tell you all about it probably in my next video. But I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it is the new pink machine that Tim Holtz worked on to get made, and it's electric, and I don't have to crank anything out for my die cuts. I've got arthritis in my hands really bad, and this is so wonderful that it just cuts all these pretty shapes, and I don't have to do anything other than just run that sandwich through, and I love it. It's my first die cut machine too. I've never had another one. This is an antique button right here. It's kind of conical shape on the top. Yeah, I spent some money last week. A lot of money. More money than I probably should, but this is my main hobby and my thing to do now that I don't sell my artwork anymore. And I enjoy it. So I'm living out my retirement years doing what I love, and I hope that's what you're doing too. Do more of what you love. Thanks for looking. This is Serenity, and if you're interested in purchasing this one, I may be able to let go of it, or maybe not. I don't know yet. But just either email me or direct message me on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.